So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to do brand bidding the smart way, the do's and the don'ts. So guys, let's get started. So recently I got a comment on my channel where they tell me how to do brand bidding. So guys, first thing you need to remember, okay, if you open any of these things, any of the affiliates, okay, so if you do brand, so they say not run any pay-per-click campaign that includes Google. So make sure you don't run brand name keywords, okay? So I'll tell you my history as well. Even over here, brand, you're not allowed to run brand names as well on affiliates, okay? So just make sure, because I'll give you one example. This is an Google AdSense account which got suspended just because I was running this campaign name, which is Miticore, okay? This is the website. So trust me, I spent around I think so I spent around $150. I made around $400-500, but then trust me guys, it got banned, account got violated, and trust me, it's a big thing, okay guys. It's very difficult once you get your Google ad account banned, very difficult to get it back. So this account is dead. So this was the website, okay? So I can't load it anyways, that's fine. Discover new keyword, this was the keyword, right? So I'll show you the smart way how you could do brand keyword targeting. And where is the currency? So let me change the currency. So this is the currency right now. So around top of the page bid is $6, but see people, and if I go on Google, people are still running ads on Miticore. But the smart way of doing it is using phrase keyword match, okay? So whenever you're typing a keyword in your targeting, just type Miticore, okay? This is how it is. You need to type like this, okay? So you can target Miticore reviews, you can target Miticore scam, you can target Miticore negative reviews. So you need to target these kind of keywords rather than targeting the brand keyword, okay? And if you think about it, top of the page rank, okay? So think about it, this, okay, if you try to do a competition, imagine this keyword is getting, for one click they are paying $25, okay? If you have that much amount of money, you can do it, but ultimately you're gonna ban your account as well, the same way I did. So as you could see, I was paying for one, I was paying $5, $6, okay? That time, it's long back, February I think so, or January, and then my account got banned. I made good sales as well, but it got banned. So just make sure if you're running, just try to run on these keywords, okay? And like these keywords, and so make sure not on these keywords, like long tail keywords, Miticore, order online, even this is top of the page bid, guys. So you need to, one thing for sure, you need to bid on top of the page bid, okay? Think about it. What would you click? This link you'll click, or you'll link this link, okay? For sure you're gonna click this link, okay? And trust me, it's a big difference, guys. I know someone who was on the first page of this bid and he was making a lot of money, and then he was paying, so the second rank was paying a little, like 15 cents less than the first rank bid, and then trust me, the first rank was making all the money and not the second rank. So make sure, if you have the capacity, you have the power, always think about the top of the page bid. But I never suggest doing brand bidding, guys, because it's very expensive. If you have the money, you can go for it, but think about it, this keyword is having $25. If I just type this on Google, if I just click his link, I'm so sorry, but I spent his $10 right away, right now, okay? And he's done, guys. I mean, I wasted his $10-20. So think about it. Be smart enough. So what you could do is go this, okay, and then just check something which, like customer reviews for Miticore, real, or something like this, okay? You need to try or get Miticore reviews by Miticore ingredients, low competition, like low page bid, but then they're getting clicks as well. So think about that. I think so that's the smart way of doing it. So if, let's say, if I want to do it again, I would just target Miticore broad match like this, okay? Or phrase match, this is called phrase match. So I'm gonna target like this, Okay, and then I run the campaign for a day or two, then I see how many results I'm getting. Once I get those results, then I can, so let's say if I'm getting clicks on Mythicore scam, I'm getting clicks on that, so I'm gonna target this one. If I'm getting Mythicore customer complaints, okay, I'm gonna target this. Okay, these are less expensive than the branded, like, than Mythicore, but then they're gonna get me sales as well. So this is one way of targeting, which is brand targeting. Okay, there are so many other ways as well, but this was the question, how to do brand bidding the smart way. So this is your answer, guys. I hope I make sense. Okay, so this is how you do it.